First, should we forget about Python? In terms of the syntax, yes, mostly. But you should not forget about code reuse, modular programming, test-driven development, good style, or commenting your code. These concepts will remain important and apply to both Python and Java. Java and Python are similar in that they're both object-oriented programming languages. Conceptually, the languages are very similar, but the syntax is quite different. Java's syntax is much more verbose, both explicit and strict. Transitioning from Python to Java has a lot to do with learning the new syntax. Java and Python are also different in that Java is compiled and Python is interpreted. This allows Java to run much faster and more efficiently. It also allows your Java code to be inspected for all kinds of errors, including syntax errors, type errors, and non-existent functions.